January 1st, 2020. Anyhow, it's a happening kind of place, and we'll show you what the town's all about when we actually check it out ourselves. Have a good day.
But first, it's time to eat.
Time to eat.
So this is what street shopping in Quiroga, Mexico looks like. You can see the streets are pretty packed. It could have something to do with the being January 1st, I'm not sure. But there's a lot of people on the streets, a lot of vendors out. The shops are just packed full of merchandise. It's amazing how much stuff they can get into small areas. So like any Mexican town we've been into, there's always the requisite street market. They sell a lot of different things. We're walking down this sort of...
And what I'm looking for is a picture frame to take out the glass.
So we're walking down this cobblestone street that's a bit tricky of footing if you're not used to walking on these. And then in the distance you see that there's a church. Here we have, you see this a lot, more people preparing street food. We're inside the store that just has a lot of wooden stuff, toys, frames, things hanging from the ceiling. I'm not quite sure what these things are, maybe some kind of a push toy for children. But anyway, I was just amazed by all of the woodwork in here. Everything you see here is made from wood. We're still here checking out the shops. I think we've been here about 3 hours now. We stopped and had lunch. Chili Killies, of course, which is my personal favorite. Now we're just walking along the street. We purchased a couple of things, and we'll take pictures of what we purchased when we get back to the house so you guys can see what we got. Now here's some more street scene. The traffic is moving really slowly, which is good because there's a lot of pedestrians on the street. A lot of colorful shops, as you see in Mexico. A dog taking a nap on the sidewalk. We're just giving you some final street shots as we're pulling out of town here. There's a nice church down there that we were in earlier. still, it's a lot of people in the street, a lot of vendors. Pretty cool stuff, a lot of handcrafted stuff. And a lot of traffic as well, in tight and narrow spaces to try to get through. A lot of people.
Yeah, it's about 30 miles from Morelia, but you know, what I'm learning here in Mexico is that if something, like we went to, what was it called again? That other place that we went to recently?
Capula.
Capula, right, and that was like 16 miles, and there was 2 accidents, there was some road construction, and that took us, for 16 miles, it took us about an hour and a half to get back, easily. So even though this was 30 miles from Morelia, and today, you know, was January 1st,
Right.
you know, first of the new year, so traffic was pretty light compared to what it would normally be. But going through that town, it was crazy. It was like really, really packed.
Right, it was.
Were you gonna say something else?
No.
Anyhow, so we had a great day there. The temperature was in the 70s. It was a little windy, but it was really nice. We really enjoyed the drive, and the drive was actually pretty nice, huh? It was really a nice driving out there.
Yeah.
And what else can I say about it? I don't know, but it's a really nice place. I would suggest that you go there, check out the town, like we did. Like I said, like Mark was saying, we had no expectations, but we were pleasantly surprised. It was a really cute town, just you know, like he said, about a half a mile of vendors on both sides on the main strip.
And certainly, if you're going to Capula, I mean, go to Capula, but then go beyond that to Quiroga too, because Capula was on the way.
Yeah.
And then visit both towns. I think you can reasonably do that in one day.
Yeah.
We did not realize that when we went to Capula the first time, because we didn't really know anything about Quiroga.
Right.
But
so there you have it from the 2 travelers in Mexico.